Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the essentials and laying the first pieces down. Grab your track kits, connectors, supports, and a small toolbox. You need pliers and clamps. First, orient the base straight section and press connectors gently until they click. Once done, add one curve to begin shaping momentum. This forms the entry path for speed. Make sure to keep alignment flush edge to edge because small gaps slow cars. Visualize the flow as you go to avoid rework. You now focus on the midsection, where layout complexity lies. Snap curves into straights, checking each clip engages fully. Partial joints create wobble and energy loss. Once connected, add risers under high-stress joints, spacing supports every 6-12 inches so the rail stays true under speed. If you plan a loop or jump, test elevation changes by hand and adjust until cars roll smoothly. When satisfied, apply tiny drops of plastic-safe adhesive on joints that bear load to prevent separation. You finish by testing and tuning until runs are consistent. Launch a car 5 times, varying force and vehicle weight, and watch for speed loss, snaps, or hops. If cars derail, stop and realign sections, tighten connectors, or add shims under supports. Sand any burrs at joints to remove friction. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see a persistent gap larger than 1/8 inch, either replace that connector or insert a thin shim. This single fix usually restores smooth runs and repeatable speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.